Nengicabanga ukuthi ke uma ukuthi siya understandana we need ukuthi sibuyele la esothi let's call for a calm for abantu baseMpumalanga nabangaphandle kweMpumalanga because icase yo Mary is all over. Let's call for a calm kubantu ukuthi ake behlisa umoya and abanye ake bathi ukudeda kancane. Unxamalala has promised ukuthi is handling imatter uzophinda babone. Kukhona la umkhwebana athi khona how ikwenze kanjani i-National High Command ukuthi isebenzisane ngizoyisummarize kanjalo but uyibhale ngenye indlela isebenzisane nomuntu ongarecognizewa ngokwama structures. You know kuyathiwa keep your friends close but keep your enemies closer. If you already feel ukuthi uMary uyisitha se-organization kusho ukuthi uMary msondeze eduze. Zikhona iy'nhlelo ezikhona to deal with the cases or the allegations navelayo encwadini le esayinonxamalala mhla ku-terminatwa i-membership kaMary. And ubaba bengasisi isidomo ngokuhlalisa umhlangano awuhlalisile eMpumalanga before the event. Now, kusho ukuthi kudingani lokho. People will always point their fingers kunxamalala as if leadership yakhe iyahluleka. I'll make just a simple example ngento yanxamalala esase-government, esase-president. Unxamalala, abantu abaningi bathola imisebenzi laphaya. Abantu abaningi imize eminingi yavuka bavuka One Home One Garden sababona yavuka ama project o EPWP like everyone was busy esebenza kunezinto ebeyikade zakhiwa kuhulumeni. I-mistake reason yami ukuthi ngiquote lezi zinto angimbizi njengohulumeni ohlukile kohulumeni bebekhona ngaleso sikhathi kune point engibheke kulona specifically because I don't want us to debate indaba yokuthi wakha ama universities nemigwaqa wangakwakha noma wenzani noma kwaba nezimali ezidliwe noma wawa inherit ama Guptas noma kwenzakalani. No, i-point lami is where ngizothi ngesikhathi sikanxamalala ziningi izinto that were going to shintsha impilo yomuntu omnyama ezenzakele, but because he was surrounded by abantu abanenhliziyo engaphandle nezinto ezwrong. I have a few cases engwazi personally because i-office laseshowe kuma projects la bekade enzeka mhlawumbe abantu bazokhumbula umtsipe benikela ngogandaganda kulinywa mhlawumbe abantu begijima eqhulwini lapho omzobe hayi umzobe umagasela umzobe odipo. The decision makers, the investors abefika laphana. We are using that office eshowe. Abefika laphaya but abantu bebekuleliya office it was never about serving the people. Abantu bebesondelene nabantu abasebenza nonxamalala ngokwe office. It was always about their interest bona nokuthi ba benefitani. So much that they destroyed ama programs, ama projects ayephatheka that could have asibeka sakwazi to secure into ye food security. Mhlambe ngabe namhlanje sikhuluma indaba yokuthi ngokwe level ye economy yethu kwi agribusiness uya somewhere. Ngabe sikhuluma ukuthi at least sisebenzele ekshintsheni umthetho sasakwazi ukuba ne control, full control kuma resources kuma resources or kuma minerals wethu ke manje. Asikwazi ukuthi sithi sinayo yonke into but sihlupheke kunawo wonke omunye umuntu. Do we even know where our power is? I-problem ilapho ke. Uma uzonika abantu abangenayo i-background abanga understand what is this all yimpi esibhekene nawo about. And that mistake siyayibona yenzeka again nge-organization i-MK Party. Abantu beze bemtrust uNxamalala. Beze betrusta i-leadership eza ngalomkhonto wesizwe. Abanye bebengafuni kwaNxamalala mangabe beyovota but they wanted change. But sithuke sibhekana nani kuleso simo sithuke sibhekana nokuthi kunabantu abahleli lapha ya eduze kaNxamalala nakubangani babantu abaseduze kaNxamalala abasebenzisa igama likaNxamalala ngendlela wrong. They will invite people to come and see uNxamalala bazenze abantu kuyigate odlula kubona. Uma efika umuntu uthola ukuthi ukhokhisiwe imali yokuthi kuthiwa ngeze azobona uNxamalala, and that money was not declared. Bangenisana egateini benze show priority bafumbathisana khona ukuze umuntu ashesha ngeniswe kungeniswe lo muntu athola ama pictures abuyele emuva naye lo muntu ahamba osebenza ngegama lokuthi usekhulumile nobaba ku1 no2 no3. Abantu abasurround uNxamalala, they are not interested kuyo yonke lento adikhulunywa ngoNxamalala, because most of them are things ekufanele zisustain impilo yomuntu omnyama, izinto ezu long term that they are not interested kuyona, but interested briefcase-ini. Okay, umuntu ahamba emuva aye ngamazwi uNxamalala ahambe ethi hamba niyokwenza lento e1 no2 no3 ngizonihlanganisa noSibanibani no1 no2 no3. Zilambe again lezi, or labo bantu bafuna ukubuya ngasemrutha ngithi bona bazi bathathe nama pictures bane evidence na yonke into bakhulumile nobaba kwasayino kusayinwayo. Abantu bafuna ukuqala big factories, bafuna ukuqala they want to invest with serious monies. Babuye with ithemba bona benze follow up with ithemba lokuthi into abayishiya beyikhulume nobaba isizo materializer. Again, the very same opportunists afuna ukukhandelwa imoto, afuna ukukhokhelwa ama school fees ezingane zawo, afuna ukwenzela yonke into, akakwazi njalo uNxamalala lokho esikhuluma ngakho. In exchange of ukungenisa lo muntu ebona ubaba yena uphethe briefcase, umuntu mase kufanele yenziwe follow up yento yakhe ekufanele ngabe mhlawumbe kunabantu inqwabe engabaqashekile as we speak. Kunemsebenzi, kunama deals are serious angabe angenise afukula economy in the province and in the country through those investors, only to find ukuthi lo muntu ebekade kufanele ngabe uyayenza leyo nto ube interested ekutheni uzolokhu ukhokhile nje wena ukhokhile, then the next thing hayi ubaba ubusy, hayi ubaba akekho right, hayi ubaba this, hayi ubaba that, then the next thing you are being avoided, awusena access to enkandla. Cause sebedlile sebe move on ba busy nabanye abantu bathathe abanye abantu imali. Now laba abantu akade bafike in good faith, befike be business bazi ukuthi bazokhuluma ibusiness, bazo investor here, benze njani, ba losing hope, bahlukane baphume kuNxamalala kunalokho badliwe ubani, bazothuka uNxamalala but uNxamalala akazi nokuthi kudliwe imali ngayo. And people are doing this kuwo wonke ama provinces. Now siyoze sifike nini la umuntu ethole freedom. We don't need freedom, we need our resources. We don't need freedom, we need our land. We don't need freedom, we need to be in emandleni okuyiphathela our economy. We don't need freedom, sidinga ukuthi sishintshe this constitution esicindezela ukuthi singakwazi ukuphila. Sidinga this constitution ekufanele amandla ebuyele inkantolo zamakhosi, who are the original landlords of this land. Ekugcine sekuthi inkantolo lesi sekwaba oh my lord. Mina ngihamba inkantolo almost every week, but I'm challenging lo mthetho esikhuluma ngawo. Ngiboshwe ngibe yonke into ongayicabanga, but I'm still challenging lo mthetho esikhuluma ngawo boze bawufixe. Kanti wena ulwelani? Ulwela ukuthi udle namhlanje kusasa uzovuka udleni. Yini ebangwaye eMpumalanga? I guess identify a problem, umsuka we problem, deal with the root cause of the problem, then sizokwazi ukusolve iproblem ekhona phakathi kaMary ne faction ngizothi faction neside elibonakala libekwe ngathi likaMkhwebane. Amakhosi as we speak, amakhosi amanye ama provinces are not recognized. Uhulumeni uyakhumbula ukuthi amakhosi uyawadinga through COGTA uma ngabe sesebenzisa ioffice lika deputy minister, through contralesa affiliated with ANC ukuze akwazi ukukhuluma namakhosi uma esedinga amandla amakhosi. But akupha amakhosi in the process. Amakhosi agxotshwa amandla awo. This government ubuyisa lokho. okwenza ukuthi abantu everyday bathuka amakhosi kuthiwa useless yet they are